In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open and manage your Wise Euro account effectively and seamlessly. Let's dive right in. First and foremost, ensure you're logged into your Wise account. This is an essential step because all the features and functionalities we're about to explore hinge on being within your account. Once logged in, if you're expecting a payment in euros, you'll need to set up a Euro account. This is a fairly straightforward process that ensures you can receive funds in euros without any hitches. Now, when you're ready, locate and click on the Open button in your Wise interface. This is your gateway to accessing various currency accounts. Following this, navigate to the Balance section. This area is crucial as it allows you to select the currency you wish to manage, in this case, the euro. By doing this, you're aligning your Wise account to work specifically with euros, which is important for maintaining a smooth track of your transactions. Once you've chosen the euro currency, click Confirm. This step finalizes the setup of your euro account within Wise. After completing this process, you'll be directed to your newly created euro account dashboard. The dashboard serves as the central hub for managing your euros, giving you an overview of your balance and transaction history, which is incredibly useful for keeping track of your financial activities. To share your account details with someone who wishes to send you a payment, you have two simple options. The first option is to click directly on the account number displayed on your screen. Once clicked, this will reveal other details about your euro account that are necessary for the sender to complete the transaction. Alternatively, you can use the Request feature. This feature simplifies the process by allowing you to enter the email address of the person sending you money. It's a practical option that lets you send a payment request directly to them so they have all the necessary information to send funds to your euro account. Both of these methods are designed to enhance your experience with Wise, making it easier for you and those who need to send you money to accomplish this with minimal effort. By following these steps, you can ensure that your euro account within Wise is set up precisely as needed, and you're well equipped to manage incoming payments. Thank you for joining me today as we navigated through these essential steps. I hope you found this guide useful and that it empowers you to handle your Wise account with confidence. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to explore additional resources or reach out for support. Have a great day and happy managing.